Yes, Shivana.
இன்னும் கிளாஸ் இருக்கா?
Hello.
Yes,
ma'am.
yes, Nazibu ma'am. Continue.
Before that tips, okay, I would like to also tell you that, as I said, no, in Montessori sandpaper letters, you can find this red color one card and also blue color one. Okay, so this is actually a minute one. Okay, this also makes the child to identify. Okay, why? Can you see? Sorry, it doesn't work. Can you notice what are the letters that are blue in color? Letters that are blue in color.
Vowels.
Vowels, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, vowels. It helps the child to automatically learn and also question why especially these cards are blue in color other than this one. Okay, so by automatically working with this, they will get used to it that there will be 5 blue cards and it denotes 5 vowels, right? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and also to make the child feel more confident, we will be incorporating rhymes and we'll be saying more stories to them. Okay, for the vocabulary and enrichment, teachers will use this as the first tool, saying more stories, singing more rhymes. Okay, they will gain more vocabularies from that. It is the basement actually. Okay, so letter sounds. After the letter sounds, while they practice with all these individual sandpapers, from the color differentiation, they will get to know that there are vowels, 5 vowels, and other than that are called consonants. Okay, and after that, we will also, meantime, we'll be helping the child to blend and make first set, CVC. And there is one interesting factor, okay? CVC, we are saying. Now, and vowels play a very important role, right? You can't make a word without vowel. There is no word without a vowel, right? So vowel is very important. So this color helps the child. One second, I'll make a word and show you. Can you see this one? Okay, the child will read bit. Okay, so what happens if I take this vowel?
No.
There is no meaning and you can't actually blend and make a word, meaningful word. Okay, to make a meaningful word, we want a vowel. Okay, and in initial stage of identifying the letter sounds, what the child does that they will miss the vowel in the middle. Okay, the middle part will be missing always. So if you ask, can you find the sounds in the word pen? They will say p. Okay, because this vowel will blend automatically with the consonant. B, E, bit. But what the child does? Bit. You can't hear separately that vowel. Bit. They will say easily. They will forget that E sound. So this happens when they keep on practicing. Okay. And as I said, pink series is for CVC words. Next blue series is for the blends, consonant blends. Consonant blends is nothing but B and L coming together makes bill sound. Bill, kr, fir, all these. Okay. I will present and I will say the letter sounds all together one time. Give me a moment. Are you able to see my screen? Yes? Okay. In this first set, I'm having 4 letters. Okay. First one is C. C says K. K. And if you are doing the teaching through online, you can make use of the sound actions. Okay. To make the child get more familiarized. Okay. As actions is not there in Montessori. Okay. Letter actions or sound for identifying the sounds. There is no action in Montessori. Okay. They have to trace and learn. But if you are taking the teaching through online, you can make use of the letter action, no, sound actions. Okay, for cat, k is there. So to identify or make the child think about it, or to make the sound more identical, you can make use of the sound actions. Okay, k. Next one is yum. Yum says A says a. You have to wide open your mouth. A. Okay. The fourth one, T makes T. T. And in the next set, the first one is yes. Yes says S. Next R. R makes R. Followed by that I, E. P. P says P. B says B. F says F. O says O. G says G. It has a vibration here in the throat. Okay, G. Next one is for H, there is no sound, only air should come out, like hen, horse. Okay. Next, J. J says J. U says A. L says L, like lollipop. D says D. W says W. W. E says A. N says N. Again, K. This letter K is in the last set because it has the same sound like C. K. Okay. So to differentiate this one, in the online, we usually show the action only. K. Kite. We'll keep kite in the mind and K. Okay. Then Q. Q says Q. Why Q is in the last is because Q is not the letter that makes the sound alone. Okay. It needs the help of U. We usually teach that Q will always come with a friend and that friend is U. So joining together, it makes Q sound. Q says Q. V says you have to bite your lower lip and make the sound. X says X, like spraying the scent. X. Y says Y. And last Z says Z. Okay. So you will be introducing all the 26 letters. And here the Y. Can you see Y here? Okay, it plays a vital role. Okay, in after you introduce all the 26 letter sounds in the pink series, there will be no word that has Y in it.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the alphabets have 26 letters in this. 26 letters are there in the alphabet.
Yes, ma'am.
The sounds are used, no?
I couldn't understand you, ma'am.
26 letters are there in alphabet.
Here we are having 26, right, ma'am? In each set.
Yes, ma'am, 26.
First 5 you are having 4. And in the last you are having 6.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am, 26. Okay, in
Yes,
the last
yes,
set you are having 6, ma'am, not 4. Okay, this Y, even the word toy, T-O-Y, toy is there. It is a three letter word, right? CBC word, but it is not included in pink series. Okay, because there is a separate rule. In Montessori alone, we will say that is non-phonetic. It is not following any rule where you can apply the letter sounds. Okay, you will not show the word that has Y in it to the child unless they get very much expertise with the CBC words, the pink series. Okay, later in the blue series, after that only you will be introducing the words with Y. Okay. If the word is having Y in it, you will say that is a non-phonetic. Okay, it is having a pattern, a set where Y coming along with O-Y, okay, along with the vowel E-Y, key. It makes different sound. Okay, actually Y is a semi-vowel. That is why in Montessori they have mentioned that as a non-phonetic and it has a separate set. Okay, so the tips is in Montessori, the teacher plays a vital role and the main duty of the teacher is not involving, but we need to observe the child, right? You need to observe what are the ways the child is doing the learning and in what are the ways you can help them. Okay, the first one is keen observation. And we have to understand that each child has their own pace of learning. They take some time. One child can make it faster and another one can make it slower, or you have to repeat the presentation again and again. Okay. So we in NCDC, we learn different teaching techniques, right? So you have to encourage the child and make them to learn. Okay. Repetition is there. Okay. All this happens. And you have to change your way of teaching as per the child. We also learn about individualized learning, right? So for each child, there should be a different technique where you can make the child to get strong in the phonics concept. Okay. And one important thing that we have to remind in mind is before introducing a letter sound, we need to be very confident whether we are making the right sound, because unlearning the phonics is very difficult. Once the child learns the wrong sound, it is very difficult for the child to relearn the sound. Okay. So make sure that you are very strong in the phonics concept and then introduce that to the child. Okay. For example, you can see many reels that has a sound with all the letters. K. For C, they will not say K. Instead, they will say K. They will add a sound with all the letters, sounds. Pa, ma, like that they will say. It is wrong actually. So if I say ma for M sound, when I add the letter A to that, it will be a mismatch. The child will struggle to put that together. Okay? And you should be very consistent and use different activities to make the child feel confident, and always encourage the small steps they achieve. Okay, so through this we can understand that by introducing phonics, especially through Montessori, we are using synthetic phonics. What is synthetic phonics is? We'll be going step by step. First, we'll be introducing the letter sounds, and after that blending happens, and after the blending, you'll be going for the words. Okay, slowly. In the pink series, CVCC word, 4-letter words, 5-letter words, all this happens. Okay, that is synthetic phonics. So phonics is the method that helps the child to read and write. Through Montessori, the child is doing that through hands-on materials, through the material name that I have shared here. Okay, sandpaper letters, mobile alphabets, pink series, metal inserts helps the child to practice writing. All this happens. Okay. Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt?
Any
Can I
doubts?
ask a question?
Yes, ma'am.
One question, please.
Yes, ma'am.
The normal ABCD, you don't teach that in Montessori, is it?
Sorry, ma'am. Can you
A
repeat the
for
question?
A. The normal A for A, B for B, C for C, like that, you don't teach in Montessori.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. We will not teach in Montessori in that way. Okay, like now usually we will say A for apple, A for astronaut, A for aeroplane. So when you say the word aeroplane, does it match with that? The letter formation is right. A is the first letter, that is right. But if you ask the child to write the aeroplane, is that possible? No, right? It is not blend. Actually, the sound sequence itself you can hear. Apple, astronaut, alligator. All for all my mouth will be opening like this. But for aeroplane, it is not opening the same way. Can you see? Okay. So this is what happening in real time. We usually say that in the word A for apple, that is fine. But for aeroplane, it is not coming true, right? So the child will get confused in that case. So that is why first we will introduce letter sounds, then only letter name. Okay. Once a child gets confident with the CVC, then you will say the letter name. Because I don't want you to think more, because phonics is a vast thing. Okay, if I say much, whatever things that I know, you will get confused. So a small hint I'm giving you. In the complex one, okay, in the green series, you are having AI. Okay, AI. That AI makes A sound. Okay, it is actually the name of the letter, right? A. Okay, in that case, the child will get confused. So if you say the name earlier, okay, for example, if I say the letter name and after that I'm introducing the letter sound, by seeing this one and this one, the child will get confused. Okay, this is letter I. I makes E sound. Okay, and the name of this letter is E, and this makes A sound. Okay, now can you understand? The child will get confused. This is E. The letter name is E, and the sound of this letter is I. I. I says E. Both has E. So which one I need to write? Okay, this is the confusion that happens first. So that is why we are introducing letter sounds first in Montessori. So, okay, so once the child learns all that, okay, the child will be able to understand the next part. Yes, there is a set of words, and there will be another set of words as well. And in that stage, they will start understanding, and their memory power will also get increased, right? So in that case, when you introduce the letter name and at the same time I'm introducing AI, means they can easily associate. I can teach that this AI together makes the letter name of A. I can say that. Okay. So that is why we are not saying the letter name first in Montessori.
Yeah, ma'am.
Next, is there any other doubt, ma'am?
And what is the full form of CVC, ma'am? Full form of CVC.
Consonant, vowel, consonant.
Thank you, ma'am.
CVC is consonant, vowel, consonant, and the next one is CCVC, that is two consonant. Consonant means D is a consonant, L is a consonant. So CC, there will be a vowel, that is V, and again there will be a consonant. Okay? You will see the pattern. We will say the pattern like that. Then that's it.
Yes. Doubts is there?
Ma'am, how can we support a child who is struggling with phonics? Because their IQ level is different. Some will catch fastly, some can't
Yes.
able to catch. So how we can support them?
That is what I said, no, ma'am. In Montessori, we usually do 3-period lesson, or if without Montessori materials, what you can do is first you can introduce first 3 letters, right? Different letters, S, A, T, or C, M, A. Okay, and see whether the child is able to cope up with the 3 letters. If not, reduce that to 2. Okay, if that is also not working, go to 1. Introduce only 1 letter at a time, 1 letter sound at a time, and see whether the child is able to recollect the letter sound. Okay, and before each lesson, you have to revise the previous sounds to the child. This makes the child to get familiarized. Okay, it is not only just saying the letter sound, ma'am. Okay, the first thing what you will do is you will associate with the letter symbol with the letter sound, right? Yes, yes says S. And the next one, what you have to do, you have to link that with the objects around you. Okay, like showing the spoon and saying the first sound is spoon. Give the stress to that particular sound. Spoon, sun. Okay, for example, I am teaching N means nose, neck. Okay, ask the child what is the stressed sound that you hear, and see, check whether the child is able to isolate that sound. If not, go for the vocabulary. Sometimes child lacks vocabulary. In that case, they will not be able to associate very easily. Okay, talk much with the child. Meanwhile, if you are introducing the phonics, in that time, add some games for the vocabulary enrichment. There is a common game, no, very popular game, Simon Says.
Yes, yes.
Right? You can incorporate that to improve the vocabulary, or you can sing a rhyme, or you can, no, in NCDC we are having much thing, right? We practice that in the spoken English. The say naming words, categories game. You can play with the child. As now, by keeping the age in mind, you can play with the child. Okay, for the vocabulary enrichment. And after that, you can introduce the letter sounds and ask the child. When you are sitting alone with the child playing, you can ask, show an object and ask what is the letter sound in this in this object, what is the first sound you hear, or anything that the child talks about it. Okay, through that only, through the play way, No, in Montessori, we will not say that as a play way, but when you are as a mother, I'm telling you, when you are doing some household works, you can talk with the child, with the things around you, and you can play with the child. And this makes this sound mixer, mixer. Okay, spoon, spatula, plate, plate. Like that, you can talk with the child.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, you have told about three series. One pink series, next blue series, and another one green series.
Yes,
Pink
ma'am.
series means CVC words, and blue
Yeah.
series you told that it is consonants. Then what about green
Lens,
series?
yeah. In the green series, you'll be having complex words. Okay, as I said, no, two vowels coming together makes one sound. All these things will come in that green series. Complex words will be there. A sound, E sound, all this.
Okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, I have completed teacher training course. I am trying to the job only.
Wow.
So
Miss
that
Hasiba,
anything
ma'am,
have.
that one we
Yes,
can
ma'am.
discuss after this thing, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, okay,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, any other doubts? Silence. Okay, you all can text me if you are having any doubts also. So that one we can forward to Shifana ma'am. She will be ready to answer you at any time.
Yes,
This is
ma'am.
Shifana ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
So,
So
thank you, ma'am. Thank you for this opportunity, and I hope that you all understand whatever that I have delivered here.
yes, it's so meaningful, ma'am. Okay, Ashwati ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Lot of
Okay.
thanks.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Hello, everyone. And at the end of this wonderful session, I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to all those who made this Montessori online class meaningful and successful with your presence. And first of all, I would like to extend my sincere thanks to our respected chief guest, Shifana ma'am, for spending your valuable time for sharing your knowledge and experience with us. Your words have truly inspired us and helped us to understand more about phonics in our Montessori education. We have learned a lot from your class. I would like to express my deep gratitude to our faculty and the ma'am and for guiding us with the patience and dedication. Your constant support and encouragement helps us to grow and learn each day. And my special thanks to all my dear friends who actively participated in today's session. Your presence, cooperation, and participation has made the class lively and interactive. Thank you, coordinating team, our talent team, and our appreciation team once again, and wishing you all a good day and take care. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much. And I request everybody, you can share your feedback towards the class to me so that I can send that gratitude to our Shifana ma'am. So it will be a pleasure for her and also it will be good thing for us also to say her thank in not in a single word by giving her the explanatory gratitude message to her. Okay. Yes, thank you so much, Shifana ma'am, for your presence over here. And it's so
Thank you, ma'am.
interesting and it's a new knowledge. I believe everybody have gained how to implement our activity-oriented session, new methodology, and the theory of phonetics in a single platform. So this one they can able to compare it and they can prepare their own plan towards their teaching methodology. Yes. So this one, I believe every of my students have received it. Thank you, Shifana ma'am, once more. And yes, so can we end the session, dear all?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you all.
So,
Bye.
thank you, Shifana ma'am.
Yes,
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Yes, we can have our bye-bye song, ma'am, and national anthem also. Bye-bye song, anybody's there?
Yes, ma'am, I will do, ma'am. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, all my dears. It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Bye bye, our chief guest and teacher. Thank you all. Bye bye.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.